Unboxing Poco X7 Pro. Powered by Xiaomi HyperOS, 12GB RAM and 512GB ROM. Let's see what is inside the box. Phone, 90-watt charger, Type-C USB cable, eject pin, safety information, quick start and warranty card, protective case. The phone is black in color. Let's turn on the phone. Follow the instructions to set up the phone. The phone is ready to be used. Let's test charging the phone. 90-watt hypercharge.
Whoa!
Unlock the screen and test charging again. Quick charging and 90 watts shown.
Good.
Searching for new phone, contact us now.